This place looks so strange. Where on earth am I? Lucy, wake up!
Ouch! What happened? Am I dead?
No, Noah. We're still alive. We're all here.
Daddy! What is this place?
I'm not sure either. I'll check on the balloon first to see if we can repair it. Oh no. The balloon is completely destroyed.
David, we're deep inside the Amazon rainforest.
The Amazon? The biggest rainforest in the world? Mom, I'm so scared. Are there wild animals here? Well, I guess we already met someone.
No signal. My phone is completely dead.
Mine too. I can't turn it on anymore.
So, nobody knows where we are? Will we be lost forever?
Listen, as long as our family stays united, we will survive.
Dad, every tree here is huge. Look at this butterfly. It's prettier than the flowers at home. Noah, I think your tummy is talking. It's telling me it wants 10 hamburgers.
Noah, Emma. The first thing we need is clean drinking water.
People can survive much longer without food than without water.
The water looks clean.
Sometimes water looks clean, but still contains tiny germs that can make us sick. If we had no other choice, we could boil this water before drinking it.
Hi, little monkey. Noah, it copied you. You found your twin brother. Give it back. That's my hat.
Don't chase wild animals, Noah. They may become frightened.
I think he wanted to borrow it. My stomach wanted 10 hamburgers, but it only got 3 crackers. Maybe tomorrow you'll get 4 crackers.
Kids, look at these colorful berries.
They look so yummy.
Don't eat wild fruit unless you know it's safe. Some berries can make people very sick.
Then I'll stick with crackers. Look! The otters are swimming over there. The baby otters listen to their parents, too.
Animals often survive because they work together.
Noah! Now your shoe is taking a bath. Even my shoe wanted to go swimming. Dad, why are we collecting sticks?
Knowing how to build a fire is an important survival skill, Noah. It provides warmth, help purify water, cook food, and create smoke that rescuers may see. Let's follow the sound. We may finally be getting closer to finding help. Let's gather wooden logs and write a giant SOS sign so helicopters can see us from above.
Dad? I think this log is heavier than me.
Then we'll carry it together.
Excellent. A helicopter should be able to see this from far above.
What's that sound?
Everyone, stay close together. Run to the open field. Slowly and together.
I've got you. I'm not letting go.
Jaguars are afraid of fire. I'll use fire to scare it away. Back! Go back!
Dad, listen.
A helicopter!
They saw our SOS signal. They're coming to rescue us.
Children first! Thank you for finding us. As long as our family stays united and never gives up, we can overcome any obstacle.
Wow! This is my first time in Hokkaido. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. Look at the snow, Mommy. It looks just like cotton candy. Everything is covered with snow.
Yes, Noah. But remember, snow is very cold, so always wear your gloves and stay warm.
Be careful, children. Stay close to each other and never ski outside the blue safety area.
Yes, Daddy. I will stay with Emma.
If you feel tired or cold, come back right away. Having fun is good, but safety comes first.
Don't worry, Mommy. We'll be careful. This is so much fun. Let's race to the bottom. It is getting bigger.
Great job, Noah. The bigger it gets, the better our snowman will be.
This little snowball will be the snowman's head. I want it to be nice and round.
There we go. Now our snowman is standing tall. It looks wonderful already.
Here comes the carrot. Now he has a funny nose. You must be cold. Here is a warm red scarf for you. He looks so friendly. High five! Our snowman is the best.
Hot drinks are ready, everyone. Drink it while it's still warm.
This hot chocolate is so delicious, Mommy. I feel warm again. Yes, a hot drink in winter makes me feel so cozy.
That's right. After playing in the snow, warm drinks help our bodies feel comfortable again.
David, we have used all the bottled water and almost out of tissues. The flashlight batteries are dead too.
Don't worry, Lucy. I will drive to the convenience store and come back quickly. Here you are, sir. Your total is ready. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. These supplies will be perfect for our family vacation.
Breaking news. A giant blizzard is moving toward Niseko right now. Heavy snow and strong winds are expected soon. Please stay indoors and avoid mountain roads until further notice.
Oh no. I must get back to my family before the storm arrives. Dangerous snowfall and powerful winds are expected within the next hour.
Please remain indoors. Do not travel unless it is an emergency.
Oh no, the storm is becoming very strong. David, please come home safely.
Stay calm. I just need to get back to Lucy and the children. Oh no. The car is stuck now. I can't drive anymore. I must call Lucy now. She must be very worried. Oh no. My phone ran out of battery. I can't call my family.
The number you are calling is currently unavailable.
I still can't reach David. Something must have happened.
Emma, where is Daddy? Is Daddy okay in the storm? Daddy is a strong man, Noah. He knows what to do. Let's believe in him.
I still can't contact David. He must be having trouble on the road. I must call the rescue team now. He may need help.
Emergency hotline. This is Captain Ken speaking. How can I help you?
My husband David drove to the convenience store for groceries. He left before the blizzard became dangerous. His blue car hasn't returned, and I can't reach his phone. Please help him.
Don't worry, ma'am. Thank you for calling us quickly. We will send our snow rescue team immediately. Everyone, prepare the snow rescue vehicle. We are searching for a blue family car on the Niseko Mountain Road. Move out now.
It is so cold. I hope the rescue team will come. Oh no. Someone is out there. I must help them.
Hang on. Let's get inside the car. It is very dangerous outside.
You're safe now, little boy. Stay warm with me. What's your name?
My name is Yuto. I'm 10 years old. My little dog ran into the forest. I tried to find him before the storm became stronger, but I got lost.
It's okay, Yuto. We're together now, and the rescue team will find us.
Base. I found the blue car. There are people inside.
Over there!
Fire department. Rescue team. Is everyone okay inside?
Yes. Please help us. We're trapped in the snow.
You're safe now. David, you are a hero. You saved his life today by keeping him warm in your car. I only did what any father would do. No child should face a storm alone.
Thank you, Mr. David. I will never forget your kindness.
Okay. Then let's take you home.
I'm back, family. I was stuck in the snowstorm. The rescue team helped me get home safely.
Daddy, you're home. Mommy called the rescue team to find you.
David, are you hurt? I was so worried when you didn't answer my calls.
I'm okay, Lucy. I'm sorry for making all of you worry. I'm home now, and I'm safe.
That's all that matters. Yuto, we were so worried about you.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Dad.
David stayed calm, protected Yuto inside the car, and waited safely for rescue. That was exactly the right decision during a blizzard.
Mr. David, thank you for saving our son. Without your help, tonight could have been very bad. I simply helped a child who needed help. Anyone should do the same.
Hi, friends! If you get stuck in a snowstorm, stay in your car, keep warm, and stay calm while waiting for help.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Let's see what's new today. I don't want to do anything today.
David, could you help me with the housework? I can't clean everything by myself.
Okay, Lucy. Just one more minute, please. I am tired.
You always say 1 more minute, but you never stop using your phone.
Come on, Lucy. I worked hard all week. I just want one relaxing day.
I understand, but this is our home. We should take care of it together.
Oh no. What is wrong? Why is the vacuum cleaner making a strange sound?
Oh dear. Noah dropped his sock under the bed again. I reminded him many times.
Emma, look! The superhero is flying! Wow, he is so cool. I hope he wins.
Everyone, please look around. Our house is so messy, even though I clean it every day.
Come on, Mommy. We will tidy up soon. Don't worry.
Noah, I told you not to throw your socks everywhere. This one was under your bed again.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I forgot. Mommy, please. We promise we will clean up our toys when this cartoon ends.
Relax, Lucy. Everything will be fine.
They don't know how hard it is to clean this house. If I were not here, what would happen to our home?
Listen, everyone. Next week, I have a 4-day business trip in New York.
Don't worry, Lucy. 4 days will be easy. I will take good care of Emma and Noah.
Mommy won't be home? Yay! No rules. We are free. Yes, we can watch TV at night. Nobody will tell us to go to bed early.
Even if I am not home, you must keep the house tidy every day. Remember 3 things. First, tidy your toys and clothes. Second, don't eat much fast food. Third, don't watch TV late.
Don't worry, Mommy. We are big kids now. We know how to take care of ourselves.
Goodbye, my family. Remember to be responsible, help each other, and keep our home clean.
Goodbye, Mommy. Have a safe trip. Goodbye, Mommy. Yay! Free time. Let's play video games all day. Noah, I'm so hungry. Me too. Let's go to the kitchen. I think Daddy finished cooking. Oh no, what is happening to the kitchen? Daddy, are you okay?
I am sorry, Emma and Noah. I wanted to cook lunch for you. But cooking is so difficult.
Daddy, I am very hungry, but I don't want to eat this. It looks like a rock. That's right, Daddy. I don't want to eat the dark eggs either. The soup smells burnt.
Okay. Don't worry. I'll order pizza and fried chicken instead. Hello? Your pizza and fried chicken have arrived. Thank you very much. You saved our lunch today. Enjoy your meal. Have a great day.
Daddy, this fried chicken is so delicious. I can eat it all week. Oh no! Where is my favorite dinosaur sock? I remember putting it here. Where is it? Noah, you've been throwing your things everywhere for 2 days. How can you find them now? Mommy was right. Messy habits always bring bad consequences. This looks so funny. I really miss Mommy. I'm tired of fast food. My tummy hurts because of all this pizza and fried chicken. Me too, Noah. Pizza doesn't taste special anymore. I really miss Mommy's cooking.
Hi, Emma. Hi, Noah. Daddy is home. I am so tired. Working is already hard, and now I must take care of the house and the kids alone.
Dad, we miss Mommy. We miss our tidy house and Mom's delicious cooking.
Hello, everyone. I am home. My business trip finished earlier than expected.
Oh no! What happened to the house? It looks like a war zone.
Mommy, we missed you so much. We are so sorry, Mommy.
Lucy, welcome home. We really need you. We are sorry. This house cannot run without you.
I understand now, Mom. I'm sorry. I promise to clean my room and put my socks in the basket every day. Me too, Mommy. I will help wash the dishes after dinner and clean up my toys.
I was wrong, Lucy. Housework is not easy. Thank you for everything you do for us.
Good. Brave people admit their mistakes and fix them. Now, let's start our cleaning mission.
I'm wiping the dining table with a cloth.
And I'm tidying up my toys. Red blocks here, blue blocks there. This is fun. Goodbye, messy room. Goodbye, fast food boxes.
Wonderful. No more messy floors.
Family is strongest when we share the housework.
A clean home brings a healthy and happy life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, everyone. See you in our next adventure.